Hey everyone! If you're diving into the world of hospitality, and especially bartending, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm breaking down the essential skills every bartender needs to master. First up, blending beverages and crafting cocktails. This means getting a solid grasp on mixology basics. You need to understand different types of liquors and their flavor profiles. Learn how to measure ingredients accurately and create drinks with a perfect flavor balance. And don't forget garnishes. Knowing the right garnish can elevate any drink. Next, let's talk customer engagement. Excellent communication skills are a must. Make your customers feel welcome and at ease by engaging them in conversation. Ask about their preferences and listen attentively to their needs. Remember, a happy customer is a returning customer. Now, for the nitty-gritty of keeping the bar area clean and tidy. Nobody likes a messy bar, right? Make sure you're always on top of cleanliness and organization. Also, keep your bar well stocked with all necessary supplies. Handling payment transactions efficiently is key too. Be quick and accurate to ensure a smooth experience for your customers. And don't forget about promoting premium drinks. Upselling can really boost your tips. One more thing, always be vigilant about checking IDs. Serving alcohol to underage customers is a big no-no. Learn to spot fake IDs to avoid any legal troubles. Lastly, know your drinks inside and out. Familiarize yourself with a variety of alcoholic and non-alcoholic beverages. This way, you can suggest alternatives and customize drinks based on customer preferences. There you have it. These are the essential skills every bartender needs to offer an exceptional experience to customers. Keep practicing, stay curious, and most importantly, have fun behind the bar. Cheers!